Once again, good afternoon. Today, 16 July 2026, and right now time is 12:24 p.m. Presently, I am in Katiabari under Purbo Bachaibari, ADC village, Tulasikor Agri subdivision. So this is oil palm plot, and today we have planted in the plot of Sunil Deborma of Katiabari under Purbo Bachaibari. So we have already issued 1 hectare order for Sunil Deborma, and here he is Bapon Deborma, who is looking after this plantation for Patanjali, and is our circle in charge Satyajit Deborma AI, and he is Pramod Noatia, Agri Sector Officer of Bachaibari. So they are just instructing how they will plant this oil palm, and before that they already applied this chlorpyrifos for controlling termites. Then actually, due to this rainy season, till now we could not give any this chemical fertilizer or any, but compost they have given from their own. So today actually we start in this Purbo Bachaibari for the first time, and here is my beneficiary Sunil Deborma and Bapon Deborma from Patanjali, who is looking after the whole subdivision of this Tulasikor. So the distance from one plant to another plant is 9 meters, and it is a triangle in shape. If you just look from here, I think the distance from this plant to the man who is just planting, the distance is 9 meters, and from that point to this point it's also 9 meters. So the shape is triangular in shape. So this year our total target for the whole agri subdivision is 85 hectare, and we have already issued 31.5 hectare work order, and yesterday also we issued another 16 hectare work order, and the remaining part we will be doing shortly. Mo oil palm plantation kaitung chungo jaga Sunil Deborma ni ploto Katiabari Purbo Bachaibari ADC village Tulasikor Agri subdivision. Kaisa bufang chalmani khai mo 9 meter. Chungo jaga tribus akriti kaisa angko khayo triangular shape hinobono. Mane kaisa bufang hoite kaisa bufang ni chalmani 9 meter. Mo bufang hoite o bufang chalmani 9 meter. O bufang hoite bufang chalmani 9 meter. Ngai mo hoite mo chalmabo 9 meter. Ngai chungo jaga bufang kai mana ke hakor chokmani a hakoro chung sachingo urini bithi chlorpyrifos rikha. Angkai tabuk chini je bagan ni malik takuk Sunil Deborma by chini sector officer Pramod Noatia borok abono kai mani pore butikai hari abo funuk tongo iko jaga bo tekaisa bufang kai tongo namutikai chung all together 1 hectare 3 bochor ni cycle chung 1 lakh taka ribo per hectare ebong proti hectare chara nango 143 mane 143 ta 9 meter by 9 meter distance kai 143 ta nango ngai chung taklai altogether 85 hectare chini target o Tulasikor Agri subdivision ngai chung already 31.5 hectare ni work order khaika meate 16 hectare ni khaika koekjon borok to kainabo gosi o ngai teso gosi abong thanga borok na chung kisa convince khina muchungo je chungbo mo o department of family 3 বছর নংকা যারা ফার্স্ট ইয়ার মানে 2023 রক কাই নাই ব্রক নিখা অলরেডি বথাই ফাইকা ngai tabuk brok jodi processing unit bethai rok paikeba chin bagi khub kaham kishor bai kaham ngai asung no kok jara video nai tonglai rok jotnono ang hambai janago. My thanks goes to Mr. Bapon Deborma from Patanjali and sector officer Pramod Noatia and circle in charge Satyajit Deborma. Also my cultivator Sunil Deborma and the labor who engage in this work and for planting work. And shortly we'll be doing one mega plantation program of oil palm in other village, maybe in this village also, but we are finding the proper site or location. So thank you everyone for watching.